Do you like building things, breaking things, or asking why 6 million times a day? Welcome to Science and Engineering. This occupational group is where the big brains hang out, and we need your big brains too, because employment here has grown by a huge 8.5% annually since 2019. If you hate taking exams, look away now. 84% of people in these jobs hold a third level qualification. You'll primarily work in industry, think pharma or medical devices, or professional activities. The cool part, this sector is driving the green agenda, needing people for sustainable sourcing and waste minimization. Basically, you'll get paid to make the world less messy. Employers are sweating because they can't find enough qualified people. We have skills shortages across the board. And top of the missing list are scientists, especially analytical, process and medical scientists. Engineers, quality control, process, design, mechanical, electrical and automation engineers. And technicians, maintenance, manufacturing and lab technicians. It's so hard to find these roles that employers are issuing thousands of employment permits just to fill the gaps. The main challenge is geopolitics, which sounds boring, but the threat of US tariffs could impact the pharmaceutical subsector where many of you would work. Plus, even if you're already a scientist, you'll need constant upskilling in areas like AI and green technologies just to keep up. It's basically lifelong learning just to survive. So if you're willing to spend years in college and then keep learning forever, the money is waiting and you'll be future-proofing the economy. Time to trade those textbooks in for a hard hat or a lab coat, probably a lab coat.